What's going on, everybody? I'd like to welcome you to episode 2 of the Ford Escape build. Today we're going to separate the engine from the engine cradle. We're going to test fit the new V8 and see exactly how much we got to cut away in order to make that thing fit up just right. If you guys tuned in last week, I want to thank you for being there. If you're brand new this week, welcome. We're going to have a good time building this Ford Escape. I'm glad you guys could join me. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and head outside and get started. As you can see here, I'm trying to pull the half shafts out of the transaxle right here in order to separate this engine from the cradle itself. I've got to get those things out because they're still attached to the hubs. I think we're going to have a little bit of oil cleanup. Alright, now that we're finally getting this half shaft out, we're starting the process of lifting with the gantry crane so that we can actually separate that engine and the cradle. So this is that process here. So, got the cradle and the engine separated. So, have to clean that down there. I need to put some cat litter or something down here, soak all that up. There she is. I think I might try to clean off my table over here, organize that, and just set that up there for now. And set the cradle up somewhere out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. We'll get everything cleaned up as far as the engine bay, get all that squared away, fix those hoses, and see if we have enough room for the hose.
here we are in the belly of the beast. As you can see, we've gotten a lot done inside. We've had to remove the seats and some things. I'll show you all that later when it becomes more pertinent. But I wanted to talk about what step we're on right now. We have officially taken the engine and cradle and separated those from the stock platform here on the Ford Escape. So we're left with a clean engine compartment so that we can kind of test fit and design the cross member around and make sure that everything fits right and see how much room we're actually going to have. So right now the plan is to take that V8, set it down inside the engine compartment, see how far forward and back we need to go, side to side, all that good stuff. And once we get that done, then we can attach the transmission to the back of the engine and see how much room we're going to have to make in the firewall in order to do what we need to do and turn this from a front wheel drive to a rear wheel drive. So here we go. Let's go ahead and test fit that, see how it is. Obviously we can lift a little bit higher, but I think we're going to be pretty much golden. Build the cross member off these, and I think we're set. Go to that. LS 6.0 in a Ford Escape. Back inside the car once again. It started raining on me. It's been kind of a crazy day as far as the weather goes. We got a lot accomplished today. We were able to separate the engine from the transmission. We were able to kind of clean up the giant Exxon Valdez type spill that I made as far as the oil goes. We were able to separate that engine from the cradle, clear out space, test fit the new V8, and we see that in fact it is going to fit. It's going to fit well, and there probably won't be as much needed to be cut away as I was thinking. So all good news, all good news. Well, here we are. We're at the conclusion of episode 2 on this, guys, and I just want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching till the end. This has been an extraordinary journey for me. We are really enjoying this project so far. I hope you are too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Try to get that word of mouth out there so more and more people can watch these videos, and so that we can do more and more projects like this and bring this one to a close. We do have another project that is in the works. It's actually inside the garage right now. We're gonna be working on that as time continues. So we will not be solely focused on the escape. Most of the time we're going to try to get this one done, but there will be times when we jump around and have to do little projects for both. So again, from my family to yours, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. We really appreciate the support, and we will see you on episode 3. Take care.